My name is Brandon Diego, and today I will be showing you how to use the different pages and what they do on the old Google sites. Unfortunately, we can't change the new Google sites because it has a little more opportunities, I would say, things that you can do on that site. This has 3 different pages, and I have them all right here. They have the announcements, where you can make a new post and just add it whatever you want. Type, let's just do test, and you can name it. There you go. You can save it. And it will add to your announcements this is test. Whenever you click on it, you click on this little arrow, it will pop up this is test, and it will also have this. You can also edit the post from here. And then there also is file cabinet, where you can add any type of file you want. You can add it from your computer. You can get a link. So if you want to add a picture to your sites, you can add that. You can add it from your drive. You can also move into a new folder, so that you can add a new folder to your sites. You can delete any images you want, and then they can also subscribe to to any changes that are made to this page. There also is list, where you can add anything to your list, customize it, column name, test type. You can do drop down, date, checkbox, anything you want. I'm just going to do text for right now. And then you can do description, resolution, complete, anything you would like. This is just the type of thing. I'm going to keep this as owner actually, and then you can add a column if you would like. Anything you want to do. You can delete columns, you can move columns up or down. And you can sort them by owner, or edit, or time, or complete, or the resolution, anything you'd like. You can change these names by just clicking on them and then column name. And then you can save, and then you can add any items you would like to the list. You can name, description, test, resolution, video, and complete. You can say that it's complete. And then you can add that to your list, and now this is an item that you have added to your list. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.